Hello guys, today I want to show you about how to create TeamViewer logo. The first step, I drawing shape. Okay, change cursor, and then I drawing the shape and change color, white color. Sorry. Yes, and correct then and change color and drawing shape and change color, white color, and this send to back in front. Okay, sorry in front, and change color, and yes, to in front and change color. Yes, this color and top center. Okay, and pass control D and rotation and middle shape and group objects and control G for group objects. Okay, control G group objects and zoom object and select all and control G group object, and I write name TeamViewer. Okay, thank you for everyone for watching my video, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share and comment on my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope everyone help me and like my video and for create another video for you. Thank you so much for everyone, and wish you good luck, good job, and take care of your health. Thank you.